Running an online business requires a lot of time. It requires you to be active on social media. It requires you to post Instagram Reels, TikTok, LinkedIn posts. It requires you to post a lot of content on social media to stay on top of the competition. But it is hard. And managing time, creating and scheduling all of that content requires a lot of effort and time. But what if I could tell you that you can have an assistant doing all of that kind of stuff? What do you think of your mind that when I tell you about this assistant? You might be thinking that if I hire an assistant, it's going to cost me thousands of dollars. I'll have to hire a human to produce all of that content and catch up with all of the social media stuff. But now you can do all of that stuff with the AI. You can pay just as much as like $25 a month and have a dedicated social media content creator, scheduler, poster for all of your different social media platforms in a really cheap cost. And it is super simple. And I'm going to tell you guys how you can do that in this video on your Shopify store. So if you are a small business owner running an online business, running a Shopify store, you should definitely watch this video where I'm going to show you an AI tool that will handle all of your social media stuff. So without further ado, let's get into the screen. So guys, the tool, the app which we'll be talking about is Xela AI, and it is for social media assistant of the future. It is going to generate real content which will get a real and personalized engagement from your social media visitors. You can connect your Shopify, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, like Buffer, Sprout Social. I mean, there are a lot of integration which you can do and automate all of your social media posting super easily. And I'm going to tell you how. And if I go on to the pricing, you can definitely try that out completely for free. You have 5 posts per month completely for free available on this app. Make sure to try that out. And with the $20 per month package, you are getting a lot of stuff. All of the details are mentioned here. I will add the link of this app in the description so you can read more about it. Now let's install that app and let's see how it can schedule all of the content and how it can basically help you be on top of all of the social media platforms. So I have this app already installed on my store and I'm going to navigate to that app. And here you go. I am going to add all of the details and then click on next step. And here it is asking that how many posts you want to post every 7 days. So how many posts you'll be posting on a weekly basis. I'm just going to select one for now. Again, you can select the number based on your own needs. And it is already connected with my store. So I have these two collections. If I go to my collections, products, and then collections, so you can see that I have this all product and female where I have these products, right? The other products I haven't assigned any collection. So what I'm going to do, I'll just select all of those products and assign them to all products. So I can see all of my product in Xela AI. So let's select all of the product and add it to the store. Okay, I'm going to select all of my products, most of my products of the store, and hopefully it is going to show up in my AI tool so I can create some social media content, right? So I'm gonna hit previous step and then come back to this step again. Perfect. Let's see if I have all products. Yep. Now I want my post written in English. You have option of different language. It has about like 90 plus languages, and it's like English, French, all of that different kind of languages are available for you to post from. I'm going to select the English version, and here you need to tell something about what kind of stuff you're selling. I'm mostly selling t-shirts on my store, so I'm just gonna type in t-shirts, shirts, dresses, all of the, it's just to test it out, right? And let's add in a little more detail from the products itself. Zipper, jacket, and polo shirt. So I'm just adding all of the products which are available in my store. Blend basic shorts. Perfect. Let's hit next step. And here we can choose the tone. We have the option of TikToker, the hype master, the trendsetter, the joker, the professional, the authority, whatever tone you want to set in for all of your social media platform, you can select any one of them. I'm gonna select the trendsetter, right? Or maybe the hype master. Yep, I'm gonna select the hype master and then click on next step. And here we will add our brand colors and we will add our logo. It's automatically synced with my store, so it took the primary color as on my store. It's just a basic development store, so it is, that's why it's showing the white color. It will automatically detect your design, your colors and brand, but you can also additionally add in your own touch if you want to. I am going to leave it as it is and then click on next step. Perfect. Here we have the option of products which are showing up, and here are the examples showing up of the post. So you can see all of the different type of the post, and I am going to select which one I like the most and add them for the scheduler. Okay, so here we have the option of image slider. That's one of my product. Here we have video. Which is basically pulling up all of the product images. Okay, let's check out this one. Nice. Let's try out some different. Here we have, I like this one, so I'm gonna add this to my autopilot. Check out this one, minimalistic product hero. Yep, like this one as well. Let's check out this one. Nice. Like this one as well. Okay, after selecting the post which you like, click on next step. And here we have these fun facts posts. You can see that kind of stuff which we have. I mean, these are this is all of the dummy content. It will be replaced with your actual product of the store. And I'm just gonna select this one. And here it automatically selected all of the fact of where we want to pull the facts from, right? Okay, so let's click on next step. Here we have the option to add in the famous quotes for our products. I also want the famous quotes, and here it automatically pulled all of the stuff. And I can select which layout I like the most. I'm going to select this one and this one and this one as well. Okay, let's click on next step. You can see we are getting a lot of different type of options about famous quotes, about facts and figures. So it will automatically generate these type of posts and automatically post on all of the connected social media platforms. Here we have the quiz thing. I'm going to skip that one. Click on next step. Here we have the option to add in the holiday post. So if we activate that, it's going to post on all of the holidays which are mentioned in the list. I'm going to disable that for now. Click on next step. Here we have the option to add in memes. You can also generate posts which are meme based, right? So let's enable that. Write memes about, I'm going to add in my product names here simply. So you can just add in whatever you want, whatever is relevant for your products. For now, I'm just going to add in my product name, balance zipper jacket, clothing, style. Okay, let's click on next step. Here we have the option of add in the blog articles, your blog RSS atom feed URL. So we can add in the blog link from our Shopify store to this. It's going to also generate a post for the blog which we will post. So it will automatically post the blogs. Okay, click on next step. And here we have the option that how often should we post products. So there is an option to add in product post where product is attached to that post, and when someone click on that post, it is going to directly go to your product. where they can buy your product. And you have the option here about less often about your products, or more do you want to add products, right? And here we have the same settings for the videos as well. If you want to post more videos, or you want to post less videos on the post, which it will automatically generate. I want most of the product posts. I'm going to select this more often and then click on next step. And here you will basically connect your social media platform. I'm going to connect one of the social media platform and then create posts. So guys, I have connected my Facebook page. Again, you can connect all of these social media platforms: Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, X, YouTube, Facebook. I've only connected Facebook for now just to test this. And I'm going to click on create post to see what are the type of posts and uh, how attractive the posts are, which we can then schedule on our Facebook page. It may take few minutes. I'm going to pause the video and then come back once those posts are ready. Okay, guys, our posts are ready to be published, and this is what we have so far. So I have added a schedule of posting one post weekly, and you can see that it is giving me one post every single week. And these are the posts. So as you can see, it's mostly showing me the product post where I have the product. And here's one of the video as well. Looks good, right? And if you don't like any of the posts, you can simply click on this edit button and you will have the option to edit the post. You can simply click on add product. You can change or remove the images. You can change the caption and hashtags, all that kind of stuff. And you can also change the scheduling date. If you don't like, you can simply click on destroy to completely remove that. We have the option to regenerate it via AI, and we can also swap the post if we want to. So a lot of different options which we have, and it is super cool AI assistant ready to help us for posting and schedule our social media content on all of different platforms. And you don't have to then manually post on each of the platform. It is basically going to do that automatically based on the schedule. All you have to do is just click on this connect button and connect your different platforms. After setting up everything, if you want to change some of the settings which you set up earlier on the start, you can simply click on this post configuration, and here you can simply select all of the products again, and you can select the different writing style where we selected the tone, and here we have the other options which we selected when we were setting up on the start. So again, you can choose any of that if you like, and you can discard any of you dislike. So all of that kind of stuff is available here. Plus, if you want to change your social media account or add an additional account, you can simply click on that, and you can see we have this option here to add an account, and we have this option to disconnect the account from here. And a lot of different options available in this app. Better way to explore all of the option is to try that app, the free version, and make sure to if you get enough value out of it, you can definitely switch on to the paid version. I'll add the link of this app in the description. Make sure to try it out. And that's it for today's video. Until next video, have a great day.